Bouts.
It's thin, but it's almost like under. You got to go like sit in that. It's like you bypass all that other gunk, and it's like.
All right.
Oh yeah.
So we're just doing a specific treatment for Aaron before he has a bit of a sprint. So, beautiful Friday afternoon here in Melbourne. It's been pissing down all day. We're just hoping that there's a gap long enough where we can have a sprint without getting wet. Underneath there.
Yeah, spot on, man. Yeah.
Dark cloud rolling over. Coming over your joint again, I reckon.
Yeah.
Oh, ninja.
Under there.
Yeah, all that, man. The whole tib post. But it's funny because, I think tib post stops there, but up there's nothing. It's all down here. But if I get sticky, pain in my medial knee, I've figured out that if I treat that, that's why I treat it at sprints sometimes, because it takes it away.
Yeah.
So it's almost like everything just gets pulled down and it tugs here.
Yeah.
Oh,
under there.
It's perfect, man. The whole thing. Yeah.
So you just got to sink in, slow, be directed by the person. They're the expert. They know, they can tell, they can sense it. It's meaningful. The connection is meaningful when you're getting good body work, isn't it? You sort of just know that it's going to be better. You can actually receive it really well. It's not too uncomfortable. You kind of welcome it.
So good. So good.
Working it out. Systematically just waiting for each part to melt and move on. Just these little shuffling kind of movements to work down underneath that bone.
Oh, yeah. So good. Everything there is just that whole line just resonates. Fuck, that's really full on.
Yeah, just trying to push through. Working underneath that bone. So if I go more connected, it doesn't have the same feel.
I mean, yeah, because I think anything in there is but it's not that pure. So you see how you're still a little bit in the gap there? You're not fully on the bone, but so that's really good.
So under there, I can feel that hardness underneath there.
See, that's brutal. But if you look at that tib post line, it attaches more to the back of the tib rather than the top there.
Yeah, this is why accessing it,
that's
affecting where it's under the bone.
But it's funny because lower down, where that tendon, where it stops being muscle and actually starts to be more tendon that's on the bone, then it gets really painful. Like down here,
painful as well.
It's on the bone, and I think but that's where it comes and becomes more tendinous and goes under there. So
yeah. I might be able to do a stroke like this so I can guide that pisiform along the shin and clear it right through. So that's what we'll do.
Oh, that feels good. Just use it as a guide rail, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, and see Aaron's just moving his foot those little bits as well to help me hit the spots he wants to be hit, to provide him with that freedom in the future.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to melt down these solidified spots. Let the blood flow back in there. It's been a stalemate.
Yeah,
things haven't been able to get in, things haven't been able to get out of these solid areas. So
unbelievably relieving.
Grab his foot a bit here.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to trace it around the bones. So I'm going to go under from here.
I even feel I don't even know if I want you to do it, but I feel so that feels clean now.
Yeah.
I reckon you could do a palm line almost on
up,
shin.
Up or down, do you feel?
Just feels good through there. There's not much there anymore. But yeah, that's where that's where it all goes and attaches, under.
When we come above here, Leo, have a look at that.
What was cool too, it's not actually underneath the foot the tib post is. It's under
there.
Under there. Yeah, it's gold, bro. That's unreal.
Change angles.
Oi, oi, oi.
Clean into your money spot on your ankle.
Yeah. Look at that stroke.
Innovated
That's
into there.
that's.
Feels good.
I think you just invented something there, Ninja,
Yeah.
because like that
And I
actually
could-
feels like.
I can probably go.
He's coming back up around.
Going around.
He's Funga Yui.
Bang a Yui.
oh yeah, yeah.
And then I can kind of,
Dust did a video on this on me on Wednesday. This is it.
I can go up,
God.
along. Invented something here.
Fuck me, that is full on.
So just that, it's really powerful hand. That heel of the hand is quite solid part of your hand, and it can really connect in well different parts of the body. So it's like jigsaw puzzle. You got to get the right tool to fit the shape that you're working on. So, yeah.
That is one hell of a stroke there, bros. I think you invented something.
Yeah, man. We
Add that to the
went on a
next
little
course.
journey.
Yeah.
Little journey.
Bit of money spot as well.
Yui.
Funga
Bang
Yui.
the Yui.
Thank you, bro.
There we go.
Bob's your auntie.
That's how you get it done.